pivot table and chart, or format painter, format, format painter, or something like flash fill, and so on. Multiple things are different table, different tabs, but I want in my personal tab. So how can I create? Just click on File tab. It's the option name as there's the option in the last. Click on it. Now customize ribbon. Click on customize ribbon. Now you can create your own tab. Click on new tab. Now name it. Name the tab. Okay. Click on tab. Rename it. Name, for example, Vikash. Okay. Okay. If you want to create group according to you, like example, I am creating a group name as training. Training. So I can create. Now I need to select the tools which will come in training group. Like I need flash fill. So I'll just find out from there. Where's the flash fill? Okay, these are the only popular command. If you want to explore more than that, you select on all command. Okay. Now this can be find here what you like. Like I like this thing or something. Just click on auto fill, auto format. Just select any of them, auto filter and add. Now you want to add something like uh, chart and chart type, click and add. Now you want to add something like clear, click and add. Whatever you want, just these are the tools which you can find. Just click and then add. Or if you want to remove it, like you accidentally add the comma style, you want to remove it, select this one and remove. It will disappear. This is the convert to comments. Click and add. Now press OK. Now you have a table named as Vikas, which has group of training and multiple tools which you need or you want. Any question from your side? Otherwise, I'll just wrap it out. Any question?
So thank you so much for joining with us.